2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, power door locks, child safety rear door locks, power windows, bucket seats, moonroof, outside temperature gauge. Come take a test drive today.